Hello my dear students, once again welcome back to my channel. So continuing our problem solving series in sequences and series, here I came up with one more question written on the screen, that is 12th question. What is the problem statement of question given to us? 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 goes on up to infinity is pi power 4 by 90. Then 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 5 power 4 goes on up to infinity is equal to, they are asking. So guys, to solve such type of question, we would be going to assume let capital S is equal to 1 upon 1 is 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 4 power 4 plus 1 upon 5 power 4 plus 1 upon 6 power 4 and goes on up to infinity is pi power 4 by 90 is given to us, and we want the value of what? S1. Let us suppose that was S1, this is S2. Okay, we want the value of S2, and that is what? The odd terms only. 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 5 power 4 plus 1 upon 7 power 4 plus 1 upon 9 power 4 goes on up to infinity. So I'll be going to manipulate S1 to get the value of S2. We'll be going to generate something related to S2 making use of S1 given to us. So what is the form of S1? We have 1 upon 1 power 4. I'll be going to separate out the odd things and even things. Okay, so 1 upon 1 power 4, 1 upon 3 power 4, 1 upon 5 power 4 plus 1 upon 7 power 4 goes on up to infinity will be written by me as separately over here, plus 1 upon 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 4 power 4 plus 1 upon 6 power 4 plus 1 upon 8 power 4 goes on up to infinity will be written by me as separately over here, and that sum is becoming what? Pi power 4 by 90. Pi power 4 by 90. Now guys, what should I do? I may rewrite. We'll be going to simplify this thing. This thing will be going to simplify, and we'll see what we may achieve over here. So it will be becoming like 1 upon 1 power 4. What is this value we are knowing, guys? S2 we are knowing this value, and why I want to compute what? I want to compute S2 only. 1 upon 1 multiplied by 2 times the power 4 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 2 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 multiplied by 4 power 4 goes on up to infinity is equal to pi power 4 by 90 is given to us. Now how we can simplify it further? S2 we have plus 1 upon 2 power 4 can be taken common by me. We will have 1 upon 1 power 4 plus 1 upon 2 power 4 will be remaining up with this all things. Okay, plus 1 upon 3 power 4 plus 1 upon 4 power 4 goes on up to infinity is equal to pi power 4 by 90. Now again I would have to separate out the things, the odd things and the even things, because we are getting the same sort of series. But we need not to do anything, guys. We have the value of S1 over here, and S1 itself we are getting over here. Hope you guys would have got my point. So we may write what? S2 plus S1 upon 16 is equal to pi power 4 by 90. And pi power 4 by 90 is what? The value of S1 only. So let's write it as S1 only, because the value of S1 was pi power 4 by 90. And what we got over here? We got S1 upon 16. So S2 will become what? S1 minus S1 upon 16. That is 16 S1 minus S1 upon 16 will be the value of S2. That is 15 S1 upon 16. And what do we know the value of S1? Pi power 4 by 90. That means what? 15 by 16 times of pi power 4 by 90. So that will be becoming 6 times, and 16 times of 6 will be having options over here. So 96 it will be. Okay, so we'll be writing pi power 4 by 96. Which option should be marked by us? Option A should be marked by us. Hope you guys would have understood it, would have enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, my dear students.